Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the latest lenses of Snapchat 2022 and how you can find your best lens on Snapchat after when your Snapchat is deleted. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to install the latest version of Snapchat from Play Store. Like I have installed the latest version of Snapchat in my cell phone. So in this way you can find the best lenses on Snapchat. So just simply open your Snapchat, and after that when you open it, just you can find the smiley link on the right downside. So simply just you have to click here. After that you will go to next page. So simply here just click on explore. So here you can find the newly updated lenses of Snapchat. So you can also find by categories like trending, face, world, music. So it's depend upon you. Now how you can find your best lens on Snapchat after when your Snapchat is deleted. So simply in order to do this, just you have to open your favorite lens. So now here you will find the favorite option. So just you have to add this lens into your favorite list. So now this is one way to save your lens in Snapchat. So after that just open the person that uploaded your favorite lens. So simply just subscribe that person. So there is another way, just you have to copy the your favorite Snapchat lens. Like I am copying the smoke flare grain lens and simply save into my personal memory. So whenever I need this, I just type this in search bar and I will find my favorite lens. So in this way you can easily find your favorite lens on Snapchat after when your Snapchat is deleted.